This is my perfect night in at home. An aged extra ribeye, barley porridge, and some dressed garlic greens. I'm going to start by cooking our barley. Again, getting things going as fast as possible with the boiling water straight from the tap. Then we can start on our porridge. I'm going to finely chop some shallots. This is a really important base. I'm using shallots instead of onions because they're really beautiful and sweet. I'm going to start to cook them down nice and slowly. Steak's going straight into a really hot skillet pan. I'm going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's really golden and crispy. And then we can start to finish the porridge. In with some cream cheese and barley, and we can season that, black pepper, salt, and loads of fresh herbs. I'm using parsley and chives here, but you can use any that you love. Double check the seasoning. I'm adjusting with some lemon juice and salt. And then our steak is ready to slice straight on top of our porridge and finish that off with our dressed greens and some fresh herbs.